guys. What do you... I'm not gonna even ask.
I found the red thing.
Oh, nice. Click it.
Already?
Come on, might as well. Right, Taro?
Yes. Why not? Tumba. 0. Tumba. Yeah. 0. Tumba.
Dash.
No, my tumbling techniques far outmatch your skills. I win.
I leveled up.
Wow.
So, what did you do?
I'm so screwed.
Jump.
What did you do, so?
Oh, jeez. Kill him. Oh god, there's something right by us. Oh my god. Die.
You didn't die. Got him.
Take it.
He's going after you.
Yeah.
Run!
Fine, don't worry. I can kite him around.
I'm doing it.
Got him.
Look at me. I'm a pro.
No, aha.
Tumble.
Wow, what was that, Jonathan?
What?
Tumble.
You jumped all weird.
Yeah?
Yeah, look, there it is.
Really?
There's the warp gate.
Cricket.
Oh my god, there's a giant white guy.
Activate. Giant white guy. How racist.
Oh no. Oh no. Ow. Hurting me.
Don't worry, I have icicles. I will defeat him with icicles.
Ow. Why is it going after me?
Jellyfish, stop it.
That's the white guy I was talking about.
Yep, he usually shows up. Sometimes he comes in blue and green.
See, dude, my icicles are doing so much damage to him.
Oh, you're talking about the mini ones. I thought you were talking about the big one.
Oh, the big one.
Hey, nice. Time stopped.
I'm doing so much damage to him.
Oh.
Nice.
But the icicles.
We just
they didn't
beat
do
the first
anything.
2 levels like that easy. Well, so the point is to actually like, what's it called, kill as many as you can before you can get this, and get all the coins you use them to level up your character. But so far what we're doing is just goofing around and, you know.
Oh, actually it's going perfectly fine.
What is this?
Nice.
All my attacks explode. Alright.
You ready, Carol?
Wait, is there any chests over there?
Yeah, there's
I
some.
took it.
I think there's one up there.
Look, Jonathan.
What?
Look.
Yes, I know.
Alright, let's get out of here. You're doing so bad.
Yay.
This is a dead end.
No, it isn't.
Oh.
It's never dead end.
Well, oh.
It just goes infinite. Oh god.
I made it.
Yeah.
Oh, there you are. Any goats or sheep? What's this? A baby dead.
Are you ready, Taro?
Oh.
We are now.
Oh god.
Oh god. Oh god.
Just drones.
Run, Taro, get out of there.
I don't need to. Okay, maybe I do.
Oh god. Go off, run.
Oh my god.
not looking good.
I know, my life is low. Need to get out of here. No, 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 no. Anything can hurt me. Anything can hurt me. No!
Ooh, no, guys.
I'm out at 5,000.
Why are there so many people?
I don't know. There's only 47 of them left.
Holy cow, only 47
38, 39, 37, 34. So, you know what I mean. Got him.
Okay, slowly and steadily get this.
This was useless.
Alright, we'll clear this path out.
Oh, I found it. This never happens, Saul. Just telling you right now. This never happens. We find it that fast. Oh no! Oh no! There's lava down here, guys. Don't come down here, guys. Don't come down here. I'm trying to find a way to get back up. Oh, I still can't afford it.
No.
Yeah, be careful when you fall down there, too.
No. We lost one, Jonathan.
Oh
do you
yeah,
mean?
okay, so I'm dead now? What
You
happened
dead?
if you die?
You come back the next round.
With all your stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I was gonna say, if I didn't, I'll be like, no, I'm gonna die for sure now.
Ah, it hurts.
Jonathan, let's get him.
Come over here. Wait, there's 3 remaining. Where are the other 2?
I don't know. What am I doing all of that? I don't like sitting here. We're gonna die.
We're gonna die in fashion. Ah, it hurts. It hurts.
Yeah, hell.
What does this do? What is
rocks.
that? You see that?
Those are mines.
Oh, well, get over here. Let him get over
Oh.
here.
Here they come. That's mine. I have ×4 of those.
Oh my god, really?
Yep.
Did they all activate at once, or like one
They
at a time?
stack up.
Yeah.
So now you have 20 seconds of time frozen.
Did he start it, really?
Yes.
What? I didn't start it. What were
Yes,
you
you
thinking
did.
to me?
Get out of here, Jonathan.
How would I have started it? I wouldn't have to be near it, which I have yet to find it.
You're already fighting the boss.
I can't even find the boss.
It's obviously a giant jellyfish.
Oh, okay, that sucks.
You're blocking everything.
You guys keep on doing what you can.
No, you got it.
Yeah, I can move fast out of combat now. I'm insane. Ah ha ha ha. Ah ha ha. Okay, I'll jump here. Ah ha ha. Ah ha. Wait for me. Ah ha ha.
Oh my god.
Ah ha ha.
I like that song.
Whoa. Whoa. Yeah.
Where are you guys at?
Oh. Wait, I'll see you. Never mind.
God damn it. Oh, I can't jump when my shield is up? Oh, wow.
We were just discussing that.
No, but you block everything that comes your way.
In that direction.
Yeah. So you can literally just stand in a corner.
There's still one left.
Fine.
Got him.
Yes. Yes. Share.
He's so slow.
Share. What's with that? What's with this no thing? What is this?
What?
Share. Share.
You can share?
I can't share.
What's up?
Which is why I can't share. It's teamwork. Yay!
Taro, guess what I found?
Get out of here.
So I should click it. You know what? This time I'll wait.
Oh, there he goes. We done it. Yeah. Oh no, jellyfish.
I had yet to find an enemy.
Ah, he's a child.
Like another enemy.
Oh god, jellyfish. Let's get the fuck out of here.
Finally, I found one.
We've done it. Oh no, jellyfish.
Now,
There you go.
What? No, we get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Wait, please.
they're all attacking you guys. None of them are coming at me.